Reference search. On PowerUp, it is always recommended to home your machine before performing any specific task. After referencing your machine, the CNC will know exactly where it is located. To reference your machine, perform the following operation. From the jog screen, select the 0 icon. The following screen will appear. Note, by pressing Escape at this point, you can abort the operation. To execute the home search, press Cycle Start. At this time, the CNC will execute the subroutine associated with the home search. The Z-axis will be referenced first, followed by the X and Y axes.